In the evolving landscape of modern warfare, Russia's military ingenuity continues to shine through with the integration of the Ballista Remotely Controlled Weapon Station, RCWS, on the BTR-82A armored personnel carrier. This upgrade, drawing directly from combat experiences in Ukraine, has elevated the BTR-82 from a reliable troop transporter to a formidable anti-tank platform capable of challenging and neutralizing Western heavy armor like the M1 Abrams, Leopard 2, and Challenger 2. As of early 2026, with the BTR-22 variant making its international debut at the World Defense Show in Riyadh, this system exemplifies Russia's adaptive prowess, turning what was once a lightweight APC into a stealthy, lethal hunter that strikes fear into NATO forces. The Ballista's precision firepower and enhanced survivability make it a game-changer, proving that Russian engineering can outpace Western supplies in asymmetric conflicts. The BTR-82A, a mainstay of Russian mechanized units since its introduction in 2013, is an 8x8 wheeled armored personnel carrier designed for rapid deployment and amphibious operations. Weighing around 16 tons in its base form, it boasts a 300 horsepower KAMAZ 740 diesel engine, achieving maximum road speeds of 80 km per hour and a cruising range of 800 km. Its amphibious capability allows it to traverse water at 9 km per hour, making it ideal for river crossings and fluid battlefields. The vehicle can carry up to 10 personnel, including a crew of 3, and features independent suspension for superior cross-country mobility, enabling it to navigate rough terrain where heavier Western tanks might struggle. What sets the upgraded BTR-82A apart is its resilience forged in real-world combat. Incorporating lessons from Ukraine, where drones and anti-tank guided missiles, ATGMs, have dominated, the vehicle now includes reinforced frontal and side armor plates, fully protected driver and commander windows, and a comprehensive wire cage slat armor system encircling the hull. This cope cage effectively counters RPGs, drones, loitering munitions, and even advanced ATGMs by detonating warheads prematurely or deflecting them. Such enhancements have dramatically improved crew survivability, allowing the BTR-82A to operate in high-threat environments without the vulnerabilities that plague older models. At the heart of this transformation is the Ballista RCWS, a remotely operated turret that replaces the traditional manned setup, reducing crew exposure to enemy fire. Developed by Russian defense firms like the Military Industrial Company, the Ballista is armed with a 30mm 2A42 automatic cannon capable of firing up to 800 rounds per minute, selectable for high-rate bursts against infantry or precise shots on armored targets. This cannon can penetrate light armor at ranges up to 2,000 meters, shredding infantry fighting vehicles like the M2 Bradley or Stryker with ease. Complementing the cannon is a coaxial 7.62mm PKTM machine gun for suppressing close-range threats, but the true anti-tank might comes from the dual 9M113M Konkurs MATGMs mounted on either side of the turret. These wire-guided missiles have a range of 70 to 4,000 meters, allowing the BTR-82A to engage Western main battle tanks from standoff distances where the APC's lighter profile and mobility give it an edge. The Konkurs M can penetrate up to 800 mm of rolled homogeneous armor equivalent after explosive reactive armor, ERA, making it deadly against the side or rear armor of even advanced tanks like the Leopard 2. In Ukraine, similar systems have proven effective in ambushes, where Russian forces use the BTR's speed to flank and strike before retreating. The Ballista's advanced optics elevate its lethality further. Equipped with a thermal imaging gunner's sight, laser rangefinder, and stabilized panoramic view, it enables all-weather, day-night operations with pinpoint accuracy. The TKN-4GA03 sighting system, or its export variant, provides 360-degree surveillance, allowing operators to detect and lock onto targets from inside the vehicle via monitors. Integrated with the Trona-1 navigation system combining GPS and GLONASS, the Ballista ensures seamless coordination in electronic warfare heavy zones. Fire suppression systems and updated R16825U2 radios add to operational reliability, making the BTR-82A a networked asset in Russia's combined arms doctrine. The Ballista-equipped BTR-82A poses a nightmare for Western tanks due to its blend of mobility, firepower, and survivability. Unlike cumbersome 60-ton behemoths like the Abrams, which guzzle fuel and require extensive logistics, the BTR-82A can sprint across battlefields at high speeds, using hit-and-run tactics to exploit weak points. Its ATGMs allow it to destroy tanks from beyond the effective range of many Western autocannons, turning defensive positions into kill zones. In dense urban or forested terrains common in Eastern Europe, the vehicle's low silhouette and amphibious traits allow it to ambush heavier foes, evading return fire. This capability has forced NATO planners to rethink strategies, as evidenced by increased emphasis on anti-drone and ATGM countermeasures in recent exercises. As of February 2026, Russia's advancements continue with the BTR-22, a cost-effective evolution of the BTR-82 platform showcased at the World Defense Show. Weighing 20 tons with a 330 horsepower engine, the BTR-22 maintains the 8x8 configuration but enhances ballistic and blast resistance through a redesigned layout. It can be fitted with the Ballista RCWS, boosting its anti-armor role with the same 30mm cannon, PKTM, and Konkurs M missiles. This variant addresses production scalability, allowing Russia to replace losses quickly and export to allies like Serbia, which upgraded its BTR-82 as in 2025 with similar remote stations. Russia's Ballista-equipped BTR-8220 represents a triumph of practical engineering over extravagant Western designs. By focusing on affordability, modularity, and battlefield-proven enhancements, Russia has created a system that not only survives modern threats but thrives against them. Western tanks, despite their thick armor, are vulnerable to the BTR's agile, missile-armed assaults, especially in prolonged attritional wars. As Russia deploys more of these units, it solidifies its position as a resilient power, making any confrontation a daunting prospect for NATO. This innovation highlights why Russia's military remains a force to reckon with, turning potential adversaries' assets into liabilities on the front lines.